Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're going to take a look at how you can go ahead and take these tab groups, which are new. They used to be an experiment in Google, and then how to take that to the next level. So what we're going to do here, we're going to add this tab to a new group. So we're going to go ahead and select, and we're going to call this school. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to select it green. Now we're also going to add Wakelet as well. So let's go ahead and make that into school. Okay, so you can see how green goes over both of those tabs. Now over here with ESPN, we're going to go ahead and create another new group, and we're just going to call this one sports. And we'll make it red. Now we're also going to do the same thing with NFL.com. So let's go ahead, add tab to new group, and we're going to call it sports. So you can see that here's my school ones, and then here are some sports ones. Okay, what we want to do though, we want to take this to the kind of the next level. So let's go in and add a couple experiments. One of those things to remember though, and let's call it tab groups here, is sometimes these experiments do go away. So what we're going to need to do though, we're going to enable all these in here. And you can see these will do here, and I'll just show you. We're going to relaunch. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to collapse school, so we can go ahead and select the tab that says school. And now if we just kind of come over here, add a new tab here, we can select sports here, and it will close that tab as well. And then you can go ahead and create more groups or whatever it is you need to do. So that's how you can take tab groups to the next level. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. One thing to add on though, of course, you can always go back into your tab groups and open them back up like that and then recollapse them as well. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care.